Iron. Iron is an chemical element with symbol Fe from Latin ferrum and atomic number 26. It is a metal that belongs to the first transition series and group 8 of the periodic table. It is by mass the most common element on Earth, right in front of oxygen, 32.1 and 30.1% respectively, forming much of Earth's outer and inner core. It is the fourth most common element in the first crust. In its metallic state, iron is rare in the Earth's crust, limited mainly to deposition by meteorites. Iron ores, by contrast, are among the most abundant in the Earth's crust, although extracting usable metal from them require kilns or furnaces capable of reaching 1500 Celsius or higher, about 500 Celsius, higher than the required to smelt copper. Humans started to master that process in Eurasia during the second millennium BCE, and use of iron tools and weapons began to displace copper alloys in some regions. Only around 1200 BC, that event is considered the transition from the Bronze Age to the Iron Age. In the modern world, iron alloys such as steel, stainless steel, cast iron, and special steels are by far the most common industrial metals. Because of their mechanical properties and low cost, the iron and steel industry is thus very important economically, and iron is the cheapest metal with a price of a few dollars per kilogram or per pound. Pristine and most pure iron surfaces are mirror-like silvery gray. However, iron reacts readily with oxygen and water to give brown to black iron oxides, commonly known as rust. Unlike the oxides of some other metals that form passivating layers, rust occupies more volume than the metal and thus flags off, exposing fresh surfaces for corrosion. Although iron readily reacts, high purity iron called electrolytic iron has better corrosion resistance. The body of an adult human contains about 4 grams of iron, mostly in hemoglobin, myoglobin. These two proteins play essential role in vertebrate metabolism, respectively, oxygen transport by blood and oxygen storage in muscles. To maintain necessary levels, human iron metabolism requires a minimum of iron in the diet. Iron is also the metal at the active site of many important redox enzymes dealing with cellular respiration.